W with M-R-M-I-K-E.
Hi friends, today we are going to draw an upside down pug. We're not going to be upside down, but the pug is going to be upside down, that's for sure. So we only need 3 basic lines and shapes to create this. An arc, an oval, and a line. Oscar just got here, everybody. Hi, Oscar. Yeah, you heard I was drawing a dog? Are you gonna come and visit? Say hi, everybody. Say hi. Yeah. Are you ready to see how this all fits together? All right, let's get started drawing. Oscar, are you ready to draw? Here, let's get a marker for you. Okay, yeah, so I'm gonna draw a doggy now. All right, now I tell all my friends that we should visualize where our drawing is going to go. So where do you see our pug? See, the face will probably be about here and the body will go here. So we don't want to draw over here or down here. We want to draw in the center of the paper. Okay, so let's start off with one big arc that's going to come down this way, like that. And then another arc right here, like that. And then we're going to have another arc right there. Now, if any point during this video you need to pause the video, just pause and catch up at your speed and then join back in with us. Next, we are going to add in another arc right here. Now this is hard to understand because this is an upside down pug. So what we've drawn is the sides of the neck, or if a pug really does have a neck, I'm not sure. What's the sides of the body, we'll say, and then the chin, and then the which is the bottom. This is the bottom part of the mouth, but for us it's on top because the pug is upside down. Next, we're going to add in 2 more arcs. And one will come here, go right to there. Then we're going to add another one. We'll start right about here, and we'll do this, just like that, okay? And that's going to be the mouth, and then we're going to have 3 lines. We'll do 2 straight, and then 1 curved, so it'll be 1 arc at the top, and that'll be the nose. And now we're going to draw another arc that will be right here. It kind of looks like a smiley face. Next, we're going to add in 2 ovals. Those are going to be the eyes. So we'll add an oval here, and then an oval here. And then we're going to add 2 arcs for the pupils of the eyes. So we'll add an arc here and an arc here. And then we can color those shapes in. Next, we're going to add in the lines for the bone. So we'll have a line come this way, and then another line that goes here. Then we're going to have 2 arcs, one here, and then another here. And then we're going to continue straight across with a line that goes here, and then another arc that comes around, and then another arc that comes around, and then we'll have a line that connects it to the mouth. So we've got our doggy bone that goes across, and then the shape of the face here. So we'll continue the face. It's going to go here. There's an arc. And then over on this side, on the opposite side, there's another arc. And then we'll have a line that comes down. And then we're going to make another arc. This is the ear. And then join it to another arc that comes up. And then we're going to have 2 more arcs. So if we start here and have it come to the middle, And then we'll have another arc come over here. Now all we have to do is draw the other ear to complete the shape of the face. So let's add another arc here. And then we'll do our line. And then have another arc here. Now you can see the shape of our face for our doggy. Okay, next, we're just gonna add in 2 ovals. 1, 2, and then 2 arcs. Of 1 here, and then another here. Now I'm going to just make a thick black outline around the whole pug, and then our drawing will be complete. Now you don't have to add this thick black outline if you don't want, but sometimes I like to do it just to finish off the drawing and just to smooth over some lines or just give it a different kind of look. Just to have it more finished or to go over any gaps, smooth out lines, add extra details. You can do lots of stuff with your thick black outline. Okay. And just continue that there. And there we have our upside down pug, everybody. Great job following along. Now, what color are you going to make your pug? I wonder what color. Well, that's up to you. It's your art. It's your art. Yeah, it's your art. It's your drawing. It's your imagination. And you can make it whatever color you want. Now, if you follow to the end of this video, you can see what color choices I made. And if you want, you can make those same choices, or you can make your own. Now, if you enjoyed following along with this video, then please subscribe to my channel and smash that like button, because every like and every subscriber helps me continue to make more videos. Thank you so much for your support, everybody. And thanks for drawing with me. I'll see you next time. Bye.
Let's draw with Mr. Mike.
For this and other episodes, drawing lessons, activities, and books, please visit drawwithmrmike.com. And don't forget to subscribe to the Draw with Mr. Mike channel on YouTube, Vimeo, and Facebook.
Draw with Mr. Mike. Let's draw with Mr. Mike. DRAW with MRMIKE.